Good morning, students. So, in our course, there is our knowledge representation reasoning. Totally focus on what to say artificial intelligence and then automation. The last class we see a group called there is a list. Today also we are going to see one of the language called Prolog. Prolog in the sense all about programming logic. All of the students know that without the logic it's not possible to apply any other code. So what happened? Logic plays a very important role for the actors, what are the conditions and how it to be evaluated and what are the various conditions and relations involved in how to derive it and find it, the life solution. So, see an example here, Socrates is a man. Before that what happened? Not. What happened? The comparison, Socrates is a man, all men are mortal. Mortal in the sense what happened? Equality. Maybe moral person or anything. But what happened by the name of the Socrates, we cannot give up the things he is a modern personality. So what happened? But it is one of quality and attribute. It's visualize in terms of the parameter how the man is compared to the mortal, so that the man has a character. Suppose example, the cell phone. Cell phone have a display. Every phone will be having a display, and the display will be different. Either in terms of 4 into 4 or 2 into 2 or maybe of a 6 into 6. So all cell phones will be having a display. Because without a display we cannot do it. So what happened here? What happened? Socrates is a man, right? And following all men coming to what is a plural to then singular. So that what happened? Socrates is a mortal quality. Now what happened? So the prologue, there is a programming logic focus to the facts, rule and then query. See what is the fact? Socrates is a man. And what is the thing? Man, a living being. And his name is Socrates. Fact. Rule. All men are mortal. What happened? So the Socrates will be getting in and be getting into the mortal of X and man X. From men to men. So it came to the conclusion. What happened? Socrates a mortal. Followed by query, is Socrates mortal? Similarly, if you know the property, all the living beings have, that is the human beings have 2 legs only. Not scenario in terms of the 3 legs or 4 legs possible. So in such scenario, what happened? Man, Socrates is a mortal. So it will be using a fact, rules and query to the fact. What happened? It will be getting into some of the rule implication to the system. And again, it will be getting into some knowledge and mind to it and followed by what happened. Now the query will be giving a man what to say. It is an exact condition of the things that happen. So that man, Socrates is a man and the man belonging to the property of a mortal. Now we are going to see how it is that of a base class. Base class because in terms of the DBMS, we know that in terms of the formalization and the entity relationship diagram will be our various entity attribute and how the various parameters are linked to the entity inside. So base class and the structure. What the whole structure and what will get its property and what are the various functionalities are getting in. See here, man Socrates. Man Socrates in the sense what happened? A singular. Followed by model of X is a man of X. So what happened? A property. Already we see that because it's a simple thing we can relate in terms of any other attribute, any other condition and any other parameters can be getting involved. So here what happened? Man Socrates, model of X is what is Socrates and it is of a man. So that model of P1 or anything depending upon your relationship or maybe of the naming of the convention or maybe of any constraint what happened, they will be dealing in terms of the various attributes. Then what to say? The model, man Socrates. So that what happened? Again we will be going to derive and the finding of the thing because in terms of program thoughts